Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you ChatGPT Pro Breakthrough review. Guys, ChatGPT Pro Breakthrough, a training course, how to use ChatGPT and develop a new important in-demand skill. Creator of this product, this training course, Martin landed this person, and this product, ChatGPT Pro Breakthrough, goes live on 27th of July, 11 a.m. EST. Right now, I'm in the sales space of this product, ChatGPT Pro Breakthrough. What you will get inside the members area, guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information. And this product will provide 30 days money back guarantee, and this is a legit product, guys. That's why I promote this product. Okay, and this product will provide lots of bonuses. I'm going to show you a step by step all the information, so guys, please stay tuned and don't skip this video. This is the life-changing product. Okay, below are just some of the unlimited automations you will be able to apply to your business. I teach you exactly everything you need to know to do exactly what I do. Okay, and these automations took me years of trial and error, but after you take my course, you will learn how to create this for your own business within 10 minutes. Guys, the ChatGPT Pro Breakthrough teaches anyone, no matter what is your tech level. Okay guys, so this training course is for you. The training course price is only $12. Keep in mind, this is only $12. No upsell and downsell inside the members area, only the front end offer and only one offer. That's price is only $12. Okay, and he teaches exactly the everything that what you need. And ChatGPT will help you with Excel and Google Sheets, how to maintain and how to use Google Sheets and Excel sheets using ChatGPT. They will teach you everything. ChatGPT will help you with sales copy, how to write a sales copy. ChatGPT they will teach you, guys. ChatGPT will help you with everyday life, and ChatGPT will help you with creating professional emails. And here is what you get with my training. Okay guys, you will love this you will love this creatively crafted non-jargon based video training. Every video is designed to be easily consumed without student feeling overwhelmed, incorporating practical examples and realistic use cases. You will easily start implementing the learnings from ChatGPT Breakthrough. First, we start off with truly understanding what ChatGPT is and how it should be used, and then we move on to setting up my secret little profiles, which are amazing and will guarantee you get the best outputs possible. Okay guys, you get the guarantee, you get the best output possible. Keep in mind this point. And after the first attempt of asking ChatGPT to do something for you, finally I show you a bunch of other everyday and business related things you can do with ChatGPT in ways you have never seen before. Everything step by step. They will teach you everything, guys, about this ChatGPT. Okay guys, so you have no problem. They will provide video training course, and here are some ideas to get you started. Customer service and support. By implementing ChatGPT, business owners can provide instant, personalized, and empathetic responses to customer queries, creating a delightful and seamless support experience that builds trust and loyalty. Imagine the joy on your customers' faces when they receive prompt and compassionate assistant, leaving them feeling valued and satisfied with your brand. And sales and lead generation, content creation and marketing, market research and insights, virtual assistants and chatbots, personalized product recommendations, language translation and localization, interactive training and onboarding, content moderation and filtering, data analysis and decision making. And you can do all of this without any previous knowledge of AI. If you are a Zero, if you have zero knowledge about AI, guys, no problem, they will teach you everything that is step by step. The ultimate training, this training is the exact things I have implemented into my 6-figure business, sacked my staff and compete with 7 and 8 figure terms and CEOs by spending less than 3 hours per day. ChatGPT is not rocket science, ChatGPT is not hard, ChatGPT is not expensive. ChatGPT is the key to your personal and financial freedom, guys. If you love financial freedom, then this product is for you. Okay, what are you waiting for? Everything you need is at your fingertips. This training is your gold key, your one-step journey to your free life and low active lifestyle. I'm also so confident you will love this training and be able to implement your very own prompts that if you don't love this, I will give you your money back. So it is 100% risk-free, no question asked. Being serious, you won't ask for your money back because this course was designed for you and share the things you need and should know. You are almost here. Get instant access to ChatGPT Breakthrough training, link in my video description below, guys, and get instant access the training course. Learn how to use ChatGPT and develop a new important in-demand skill. Zero risk, 30 days money back guarantee. And here is the frequently asked questions. Do you have any question like money back guarantee, refund policy? Why should I purchase this training? Here is the details why you should purchase this training. Here is the full details, guys, and here is the bonuses, limited time bonuses. You can see to celebrate the launch of this course for the next 100 customers, we are adding this 10 for you bonuses to 10x your journey. Bonus number 1, 60,000 AI prompts. Here is the prompts details, blogging prompts category, actually blogging category, reviews, keyword research and professional emails. And bonus number 2, AI mastered long form prompt. And bonus number 3, lifetime access to support. They will provide lifetime access and get instant access right now. This is the creator Marty Englander, this ChatGPT Pro Breakthrough product creator. And guys, this video you will be fully understand afterwards the video how actually works this product. This video created by the product creator guys, Englander. So let's see the this video. Okay, stay tuned and let's see the enjoy it.
Hello, Marty Englander here from Brainy Automations, and if you're here, it means you've heard all of the hype about ChatGPT, but you've headed over to ChatGPT, entered in some text, and you've just read some garbage that it's just produced. So like so many other business owners, you said ChatGPT is not for me, AI is hyped and it's a gimmick and it's not anything that I can use in my business, it's a waste of time, I'm gonna just walk out the door, I'm gonna forget about this whole AI thing and keep on going with my day-to-day businesses. If this sounds a little bit familiar, you're in the right place, because I'm here to tell you that AI and ChatGPT are not going anywhere. In fact, every single second, AI is getting better, more complex, more advanced, and easier to use. But if you don't know how to talk to AI like ChatGPT, you're only going to be miserable. You're not going to get any result, which means you're not going to be able to utilize AI and leverage it over your competitors. So inside ChatGPT Breakthrough, you're going to learn all of that, and it's going to be communicated in non-jargon, bite-sized, easy to absorb knowledge, and as little theory as possible. In fact, I'm going to be showing you all of the practical uses that you can do with realistic use cases that goes on in everyday life, from your personal life all the way to your business life. I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT and how I set up these incredible profiles to stop myself needing to repeat prompts I enter, and how I don't need to refine it over and over. I can literally just enter the thing that I want and it will output accurate, realistic, well formatted, and dare I say, perfect text that I can just copy and paste into what I need. One final thing, AI is not going anywhere. The general public are usually around 5 to 10 years before they start catching on to things. Within the next 5 years, a certain skill set is going to boom, and that skill set is called prompt engineering. That is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you inside this course. I'm going to be giving you the best foundations that you won't find anywhere else on how to start doing prompt engineering so you can start communicating with AI softwares and tools with absolute ease. Now, within the next 5 years, you can either be like almost every other business out there which are currently ignoring AI, and they're going to end up paying a premium just to get some really basic stuff and information about AI. Or you can be one of these clever individuals who knows AI can help their business, and you can start learning it today and start implementing what I teach inside ChatGPT Breakthrough to your business, which is going to place you miles in front of your competition. Jump onto this now, start learning it now. It's not going anywhere. It's going to be in demand. It's going to be an extremely premium and expensive service for those who don't learn how to do it now. I hope to see you inside the training. My name is Marty Englander, and cheers to your freedom. Hello, Marty Englander here from
Guys, I hope you fully understand about this product, and right now you can see the coupon code. So you can grab this training course. I highly recommend if you want to learn more about ChatGPT and if you want to benefit from ChatGPT, then this training course is for you. Let's just say for you, thank you. See you soon my next video, guys, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are actually struggling to generate quality content, generate emails using AI, and you can share also this video with your partner. So